Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV. Today we're looking at a brand new 2026 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight. It's the 2706BH, kind of a revamped 2706. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way till the end of the video. I'll show you a clip at the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. All right, stand at the entry door looking in. Your slide on the left, kitchen on the right, master bedroom up front. Got your second entryway looking towards the back. Your bunk area and bathroom are here in the back. That's where we'll start. You see this bottom bunk folds up. Look at this space. You can put bikes, you could put a kayak, dog crates. I mean, you got a lot of options here for storage with that back door. And then you just unlock this, and then you can fold the bunk over, and you got your bunk beds. The ladder's built in, so you don't need to worry about losing that. Each bed has got its own curtain, AC duct here, touch light, charging area, your windows open, and you do have curtains that go across. A little assist rail here to get in and out of the bunk, which is nice. Receptacle directly across. You got a closet with the motion sensor light, hanging storage, and look at this pantry, massive. WeRV motion sensor here that becomes accessible. The lights come on. You can control your lights, your awning, check your holding tanks, put the slide in and out, and control the hot water heater all from one convenient area. So from there, we'll go right to the bathroom because it's here. So a door to get in and out, good storage, little cubby holes down low, heat duct, and AC duct. You'd be surprised how many bathrooms do not have those. Light switch, plenty of room around that foot flush toilet. It is porcelain, towel bar, max air fan with the cover on the roof. You got a window, but it does have a roller shade. Plenty of room around the sink, medicine cabinet, glass enclosed shower, and you got the shower miser. Plenty of headroom. I'm 6'5". I'm just inside the skylight. So plenty of room there. You can move around. Moving out of the bathroom, you see we've got a second max air fan, which is an option we did here. Theater seats. The theater seats have pull cords for the footrest. They do recline. You got cup holders. You got storage. You've got the day-night roller shades. Reading lights with the charging area. Overhead storage, and it's got the shocks that hold it up for you. That is directly across from the TV, which is on a swivel arm. So a lot of people ask, well, can you see the TV from everywhere? Not necessarily. You're not going to really see it from the bunks. It's a little tough that way. But it does come out to where you can see it from the dining area, from the theater seats throughout. Controls here, Bluetooth for your speakers. Good storage underneath. Remember, you've got that big pantry behind it. Fireplace does put out electric heat. Magnets in addition for keeping those cabinet doors shut going on the road. There's the speaker, ducted 15,000 BTU AC. Heat ducts not in the floor but in the wall. There is your freezer, and then easy access 12-volt refrigerator. If for some reason you are coming from the outside, you want to open it this way, you got a dual hinge for that refrigerator. Booth dinette, U-shape. You got a lock pin here, just like so, and that drops down to make the bed. You heard the Velcro, that means it's in place. You've got storage underneath, cushions that make the bed. You can remove the back cushions if you like, if you needed more room, but there is your second sleeping area other than the bunks. Full pull-out drawers. One thing I'd like to show you, you've got a screw there. Let's see if we got access here. We don't, but look at the frame here. The frame for this dinette is aluminum. It's not one buys, it's not cheap wood, but that whole frame right there is made out of aluminum. Just like the frame on the bed. Look at that frame on the bed. It's not one buys, it's gonna rip out, strip the wood, but you're sitting on a real base here, and the whole thing, you can see parts of it, and you can see part of it through here. That is just a solid frame, and that's just the dinette that they do that, and the bed. Imagine what they do with the rest of the camper. So it's a nice feature there for how strong it's built and how long it's going to last for you and the family. Windows open, fire escape window opens. You've got lighting throughout there, touch light here. We showed you the spotlights. The rest of the kitchen, you got a fuse panel, circuit breaker down low, large Magic Chef oven with LED lights, oven light, 3-burner range with lighting, large cabinet doors, owner's information there. Look at that. You can scan the QR code. Tile look backsplash. Some goodies down here. So what do we got here? You've got your inline water filtration. Some other goodies in the bag. I'll show you these real quick. One thing I always like to show is your tire monitoring system. So the TPMS comes with it. All your remotes and all that good stuff. But this right here, ROCKWOOD gives you another QR code here, just like what we showed you there. All your owner's manuals, the information, frequently asked questions, your serial numbers, slide motor, water pump, toilet, solar panel, all of them are right here, easy to find. So if you ever do have an issue, it's all easy to find right here. The roof membrane, cooktop, refrigerator, everything is nice and organized. So you can keep this somewhere and always have it accessible instead of being just spread out in a loose bag. ROCKWOOD gives it to you where you can keep track of it. Large stainless steel sink, extended spray head, the balloons for the antifreeze because it is winterized, countertop extension. You got drawers down low, little silverware holder, solid door to close off the bedroom from the living area, and it's got a little latch here on the inside. You can lock it. Lighting, second AC. We've already looked under the bed. Drawers, your second doorway. We equip this with a second TV. You can take that outside. We'll look at that in a minute. Heat duct. Cubby holes throughout. You do have a shade that blocks off this front windshield. Charging areas and a shelf. Nice for CPAP. Hanging storage. Drawer. And then nice room to walk around. Fire escape window with the shade. Again, all your cabinets have the shocks to hold it up. You've got the built-in shade on the window on the screen door. Your brand new 2026 Forest River ROCKWOOD Ultralight. It's the 2706BH. And you'll notice in the past, last year's model, the year before, the 2706 had a wardrobe slide. So they went away with that. Gave you some more storage here. Dropped down that weight. Kind of made it like a lot of the other bunk models, but you got the second door. But no wardrobe slide on the 2706s now. Let me know what you think on the bedroom setup. Still, to me, it's got a good room, good space. I guess you lose a little bit of wardrobe, but you make up for it by gaining some. I guess you're losing some weight there, make it easier to tow. 30 amp controller, thermostat for the AC. Let's work our way outside, take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, automotive windshield, ROCKWOOD, ultralight, Forest River logos on the front. Your auto leveling controls here. 7-pin and chain holder. Your two 30-pound LP bottles. Dual RV battery box. It will come with one battery. Rock guard up front. Just real quick, the 5.3, the auto leveling is auto leveling. It is not crank down jacks. They are not, see if I got one close. They are not electric jacks. When you see the box up front on the tongue jack, like so, you got the auto leveling. So, moving around your control here for the docking light, which is your LED light strip here. Your magnet holds this huge compartment door up. Look at this storage. Wide open, nice clean storage. Motion sensor lighting, that aluminum frame. Slam latch doors. The 2706 has got a dry weight, 7,093 pounds. We did slide toppers over your slide outs. You got frameless windows. Moving down the slide out, you've got another storage area here under the dinette. Again, look at the frame on that dinette. Moving down your sewer connection, your pool valves. We are looking at a 50 amp service. Your tank flush, winterization, fresh water fill is all in one convenient area. There are those rear leveling jacks. They are the pool valves for your gray and black tank. Moving down, you've got factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. 2 ACs, TV antenna, max air fan, covers, solar panel, top of your slide topper, and your skylight. Nice clean roof. You're prepped for backup camera. You do have a receiver on the back, good for a bike rack, storage bin, anything like that. You're maxing out 300-pound rating on that. You got your storage here in the back. As I showed you inside, this will lift up so you got more room. You can put more equipment in there. Lots of space, very convenient access. Your outside shower has got hot and cold. Quick connect, it comes with the hose, and that'll reach this outside kitchen. That's got your griddle, refrigerator, a little storage area, receptacle, nice clean storage. And that is gonna have your LP connect, which is here. Tees right off that front LP bottle. Your entry door. Friction hinge on this door, stays where you leave it, or you can hook it there if you got stronger winds. You've got Stromberg assist handle, folds right up, flush to the camper. So, locks in place, you're good to go. Then you've got the step above shock assist entry steps. You've got screen door. The shade is already here. It's not just prepped. Shade's already here. As you saw the door shut, it's got the Shock assist here. Screenshot by Lippert. Dual Goodyear Endurance tires. Bring your TV outside, hook it here. Exhaust for your range. This long awning that covers both entry doors and your kitchen has got support arm in the middle. You see those LED lights? There's that hookup for the cable and power, so when you bring the TV outside. Hot water heater. Your spare tire, you got a crank to drop that. Same thing up front, same assist arm, same dead bolted, same step above entry steps. Other side of your storage with the magnet, nice clean storage. Brand new 2026 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2706BH. Remember, if coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, slide in. As you can see, you got full access to get in the refrigerator, freezer, the sink. You can still cook. You still got full access to the bunk beds. You can still get into the bathroom, no problem. And then you would be going through the front door if you need to get to the master bedroom.